Hello, in this video I will tell you about Instagram and second account in Instagram. Why can you need it, what for can you use this account, and something else. At first, you can use your second Instagram account as a way to spy for some people you want to spy. Also, you can use second, third, fourth Instagram account to sign up and to subscribe on your main account. Both this way I will show you in our video about Instagram second account from SMS-MAN.
Okay, this is Instagram main page. I won't show you how to sign up because you can check it in our video about Instagram. I will just log in and show you some options of Instagram account that you can use on your second account. Here we are. This is my personal Instagram account and I will show you how you can spy for some person. For example, you have your ex who banned you in her own Instagram account or his own Instagram account. But you want to check stories, to subscribe, to write something maybe. Second account has every privileges as every other account. How to use two accounts similarly in Instagram. Let's go to our account page, switch accounts, and here we can add our new Instagram account. I will do it with this one. Login, and that's all. Now we have second Instagram account in our web page. Let's click our account button, click switch accounts again, and here we can enter our previous account to do similar things that we can do with second account.
I hope you learned out how to use second, third, fourth Instagram account from SMS-MAN. I hope you enjoyed this video. Put your like, put your notifications on. See you next video. Goodbye.